gentle secret, a warm glass of water you won't regret. It awakens your body, clears your mind. Life's harmony in each drop you'll find. Oh, the power of water, nature's gift. It fuels your soul, gives your day a lift. Neither coffee nor tea can take its role. Remember to drink for your heart and your soul. A magical molecule, polarity, a natural magnet, source of vitality. Its bonds are fragile, yet they hold tight, sustaining life with every sip delight. Oh, the power of water, nature's gift. It fuels your soul, gives your day a lift. Neither coffee nor tea can take its role. Remember to drink for your heart and your soul. Coffee's a mirage, dehydration's game. A glass of water keeps you in the frame. Throughout the day, don't let it slip. Water walks with you, sip by sip. Oh, the power of water, nature's gift. It fuels your soul, gives your day a lift. Neither coffee nor tea can take its role. Remember to drink for your heart and your soul. A simple act, a daily start. Each sip is essential for your heart. Water, the source, the life, the glow. Begin your morning with it, let it flow.